Hello, my friends. If you're watching this video, chances are you've heard that old advice, eat plenty of eggs, they're the king of protein. Or maybe you've seen countless ads for miracle supplements. I used to believe the same. For years in my medical practice, I told my patients to eat a balanced diet and stay active. But then, I crossed the age of 60 myself, and everything started to change. One morning, I noticed I couldn't climb the stairs as quickly as before. My hands and legs didn't feel as steady. That was when I realized staying healthy at this age isn't just about eating enough. It's about eating right. I began digging deeper, and what I discovered completely changed the way I think about nutrition for older adults. Here's a truth not many people talk about. After the age of 30, we begin losing muscle mass. After 60, this process accelerates 2 or 3 times faster. Eggs are healthy, yes, but if you think a few eggs a day are enough to keep your muscles strong, that's only half the story. After years of walking alongside thousands of older patients, and through my own experience, I've come to trust 10 foods that I call the golden keys for strength and independence after 60. These foods deliver 2, 3, even 5 times more protein than eggs, and many are easier to digest, gentler on the stomach, and truly effective at preserving muscle. Let's begin this journey of discovery together. Food number 1, whey protein. At the top of the list, and perhaps the most underestimated tool, is whey protein. It's no longer just for athletes. For people over 60, whey is one of the most powerful ways to prevent and even reverse muscle loss. Depending on the type, 100 grams of whey powder can contain 70 to 90 grams of protein. And the best part? It's absorbed incredibly fast, within 30 to 60 minutes. That speed is critical for anyone recovering from illness, surgery, or injury, when the body urgently needs protein to rebuild tissue. I had a patient in his 70s who underwent hip surgery. His appetite was poor, and he kept losing weight no matter what his family cooked for him. I suggested adding 1 glass of whey protein before bed. 2 months later, he walked into my office stronger than expected. Sometimes just 1 small glass can change an entire life. Food number 2, salmon. Next is salmon, the powerhouse from the sea. Beyond the 20 grams of protein per 100 grams, salmon offers a treasure most people overlook: omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 helps lower chronic inflammation, supports joint function, and protects the heart. Inflammation is one of the silent enemies of aging muscles. Studies show that older adults who eat salmon twice a week have stronger muscles and a lower risk of frailty. I often tell my patients, bake or grill salmon gently with lemon and dill. It's delicious, nourishing, and works like natural medicine for the body. Food number 3, lean chicken breast. Simple but reliable. Lean chicken breast provides around 31 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's low in fat, easy to prepare, and one of the cleanest sources of protein available. One of my 70-year-old patients had struggled with high cholesterol from eating too much red meat. He feared switching away from beef would make him weak, but after replacing most of his dinners with chicken breast, his cholesterol dropped, yet his strength stayed the same. That's the beauty of choosing wisely. Sometimes simplicity works best. Food number 4, aged Parmesan cheese. It might surprise you, but aged Parmesan, matured at least 12 months, is a secret weapon for muscle health. With up to 42 grams of protein per 100 grams, it packs 3 times the protein of eggs. Because of its long aging process, the proteins are broken down into smaller, easier to digest forms. That makes Parmesan suitable even for older adults with mild lactose sensitivity. I like to say, Parmesan is like an old friend, seasoned, steady, and giving strength to others. A sprinkle of shaved Parmesan on your soup, pasta, or salad not only adds flavor, but also feeds your muscles what they need. Food number 5, spirulina. At first glance, a spirulina looks like nothing more than green pond powder, but don't dismiss it. Just 100 grams of spirulina contain 29 grams of protein, and more importantly, your body absorbs about 85% of it instantly. It's one of the most bioavailable plant proteins in the world. Spirulina also fights chronic inflammation, a key reason why muscle wasting speeds up after 60. Research shows it reduces oxidative stress and helps protect muscle cells. I recommend a teaspoon of spirulina powder mixed into a morning smoothie. It may seem small, but the daily benefits are long-lasting. More energy, better stamina, and stronger muscles. Food number 6, tempeh. If you haven't tried tempeh, the fermented soybean cake from Indonesia, now's the time. With 20 grams of protein per 100 grams, it's rich in leucine, the amino acid that acts like a switch to turn on muscle growth. Fermentation gives tempeh another edge. It nourishes your gut microbiome. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption and less chronic inflammation, 2 keys to slowing muscle loss in aging. I often slice tempeh thin, pan-sear it with olive oil and garlic, then serve it in a salad or sandwich. One of my patients calls it vegan steak because of its hearty texture and flavor. Food number 7, pumpkin seeds small but mighty. Pumpkin seeds deliver nearly 19 grams of protein per 100 grams, almost double what eggs provide. But that's not all. They're loaded with magnesium and zinc, 2 minerals older adults often lack. Magnesium fuels over 300 biochemical reactions, including muscle contraction and nerve function. Zinc strengthens the immune system and aids tissue repair. One study showed that eating pumpkin seeds daily reduced muscle inflammation by up to 38% in just 12 weeks. I carry a small bag of lightly roasted pumpkin seeds as a snack. They taste great, nourish muscles, and even help promote deeper sleep. Food number 8, quinoa. Known as a super grain, quinoa is more than trendy. A cooked cup provides around 14 grams of protein and uniquely all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot make on its own. A study found that older adults who ate quinoa daily improved their leg strength within just 8 weeks. That's because quinoa is rich in lysine, which aids muscle repair and calcium absorption, helping bones stay strong. I like to cook quinoa in bone broth, then mix in leafy greens and mushrooms. It's easy to digest, keeps you full longer, and fuels your day with steady energy. Food number 9, chickpeas. When cooked, 100 grams of chickpeas give you over 11 grams of protein, slightly more than eggs. But their real magic lies in the balance of protein, fiber, and minerals. Fiber keeps blood sugar steady and supports gut health, while iron and magnesium improve circulation and muscle contraction. This makes chickpeas an excellent alternative to red meat for older adults. I often suggest replacing one meat-heavy dinner with a hearty chickpea stew and vegetables. It's affordable, filling, and surprisingly satisfying. Food number 10, Greek yogurt. You might think of yogurt as just a light snack, but Greek yogurt is different. A single 150-gram cup of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt provides about 15 grams of protein, nearly as much as 2 eggs. What makes it special is the straining process, which removes most of the lactose. That makes it easier to digest, especially for seniors sensitive to dairy. Plus, it's packed with probiotics that help your gut absorb nutrients more effectively. I'll never forget one of my patients, a 65-year-old woman, who told me, "Doctor, I eat plenty of meat, but my legs still shake on the stairs." I encouraged her to add Greek yogurt as an afternoon snack. A few months later, she came back smiling. "Doctor, my legs feel steadier now." That's the difference between eating enough and eating smart. You see, we're not short on options. From a quick whey protein shake to a rich piece of salmon, from crunchy pumpkin seeds to a smooth cup of Greek yogurt, every choice can be a building block for the house of muscle that quietly weakens with age. Aging is not a sentence of weakness. It's simply a reminder to care for ourselves differently and more wisely. True strength isn't about bulging muscles. It's about freedom. It's about being able to care for yourself, to pick up your grandchild, to walk in the park, to live without dependence. So let me ask you, where do you see yourself in 10 years? Struggling with a cane? Or living vibrantly, enjoying life on your own terms? The answer lies on your plate, in the foods you choose every day. Nourish your body because it's still listening. If this video inspired you, please hit like and share it with someone you care about. Together we can spread this message, that at any age we can live stronger, healthier, and fuller lives. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more science-based health insights every week. Thank you for spending this time with me. I'll see you in the next video.